Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Lena. I'm doing videos related to luxury, lifestyle and travel. In today's video, I will have another unboxing, a very mini unboxing from Hermes, which is this package right here. I ordered from Hermes website, so I'm gonna unbox it and share how it looks with you. And also I'm gonna do a tag video, best low-key bags. This tag was created by Tabby Violet. It took me a while to do this video. I was tagged by beautiful ladies Zenny and Nicole. I'm gonna have the links to their videos down in the description box below. You can go to their channel and check out their low-key bags. Now let's open this package. I'm so excited to see how it looks. I just saw on the website but never seen it in person, so I just not sure how small or how it really looks. Okay. Tissue paper, and I have the box upside down. This is how the box looks inside. If you order from Hermes website, this is how it comes. The Hermes box is packaged like this. The receipt is in the back. So let's open it. It comes with the receipt in this envelope. This envelope is for gift message. It has a blank card. And here it is, a Hermes box with brown ribbon, very iconic. And this is the first time I see it has a little star, something. Look at this. This is the first time I see the shooting star piece here. Let's open it. I ordered this piece from Petite H, so I'm not sure what color going to be inside because it's supposed to be a surprise piece. I saw 3 different colors on the website for this piece, but they're going to send me a surprise piece. So let's see what the color inside. Okay. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it is so cute. Oh, I love this color. I'm not sure if you can tell the real color with the lighting, but it is beautiful. Oh wow. Oh goodness. It has 2 different colors. Wow. I'm gonna see what color it is. I'm not sure. It looks like a dark green. It's like malachite color. Very beautiful. And in the back, it's like very, very light coral. It has like pink and dark green color on the silk. I'm not sure what it's called, but this cord right here. Let me put it back into the box here so I can show you better. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And this is the color. And this is the color from the back. So gorgeous. I wanted the bag in this color. Oh my goodness, love it. Here's the receipt, but it doesn't say the color of the horse. It's just that horse charm, multicolor. So I'm not sure if you can see it. Look at this horse charm, super cute. It comes with 2 different colors, so you can interchange it to decorate the bag. On Hermes website, it has blue, yellow, and orange. I didn't see this color, and I couldn't pick the color anyway. So this is a surprise, and it is beautiful. You can use it as a keychain or as a bag charm. Alright, I'm done with the unboxing. Now I'm gonna do the tag video. I don't have many low-key bags, so I just gonna show you a few pieces. And this is the first one. This is Chanel Reissue 255. It is in size medium 266, and I love this bag. It doesn't have like Chanel logo or big prints or anything that you can tell is from Chanel. If you are not into luxury handbags, and if you never owned one, you probably don't know this is from Chanel, but it is very classic. I love the Mademoiselle interlock right here. Also the aged cow skin with the wrinkles. And also I love the antique gold chain. It looks like a piece of jewelry. Very beautiful. This type of leather is very lightweight, and you don't have to worry about getting scratched. It is absolutely scratch resistant. I also love that it has a back pocket. Very convenient. Okay, let's go to the next one. This one right here is from Salvatore Ferragamo. For me, it is very low-key handbag because it doesn't have like big logo or doesn't have big prints. It actually has a logo, but if you don't know the brand, you wouldn't be able to tell. It has a logo on the sides and also on the handle right here, but you know, you can't really tell. It has very small words right here, Salvatore Ferragamo on here, but it is very small, so you can't really see it. And I love that this bag has handle and also the strap, so you have options. If you don't want to wear it on crook of your arm, you can handheld it, or you can wear it as a shoulder bag or crossbody bag. Very versatile. And this is in metallic silver with silver hardware, so it looks elegant, but also it has a very modern twist to it. Love it. It comes with the leather strap. I love it because it is detachable and also adjustable. It is also very soft, so it doesn't dig into your shoulder when you wear it on as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag. I love it because it's so versatile. This is how it looks with the strap. The next one is from Hermes. This is Kelly in size 30. I love this bag. Very simple, but very classic. If you are not into this luxury world, you probably cannot tell this is from Hermes because it doesn't have logo or big words, but it just has a hot stamp Hermes on here. I'm not sure if you can see it. It comes with one handle and also a strap. It is very soft, so when you wear it on your shoulder, it doesn't dig into your skin. You can carry this bag on crook of your arm, or just handheld it, or on your shoulder, or as a crossbody bag. Here are 7 low-key bags from 7 different luxury brands that I don't own but highly recommend. Although Kelly bag is very simple, it is not easy to get. You can find another understated bag from Hermes with a very different design. That is the Lindy. It is very versatile with strap and handles. There's no loud logo or big brand name on the bag. Such a cute bag. This puzzle bag is from Loewe. You don't see brand name on this bag, but very understated logo on the flap. This bag would be very versatile because it also has strap and handle. Would be perfect for work or traveling. This is bell bag from CELINE. Such a beautiful bag, but very discreet. The calfskin leather would be very durable. This bag can be used as a handheld bag, on crook of your arm, on your shoulder, or as a backpack. It would be very functional. This is Peekaboo bag from Fendi, a very classic bag, but very low-key. This bag would look very ladylike when you wear on crook of your arm, but it does come with a detachable strap, very versatile as well. This cassette bag from Bottega Veneta is super cute, especially this pink. It is a lovely bag and very understated. There's no logo or brand name anywhere on the bag. This Alma BB is from Louis Vuitton. It is so sought after, so popular with print, but with this epi leather, it is so discreet. It only has very understated logo with the same color in the corner. Such a classic bag. This is rock stud leather tote from Valentino. If you think Neverfull from Louis Vuitton is too loud with all the prints, you can go with this bag. It is so casual with a beautiful rock stud detail, very edgy. I currently have the twirly on the handle. I'm gonna take it off and put the back charm on to see if the color looks okay together. This is how it looks without the twirly. And let me put this horse back charm on. See how it is. On the website, it has blue, yellow, and orange. So I was hoping for the blue. I didn't even expect it comes with this color because I didn't see this color on the website. What do you think? Does it look good together? Or I can put on this color. This color shows more on this back, right? Yeah. This is a little too dark for the back. For this bag, when I have the back charm on, I don't usually put the twirly on the handle because to me it is too much. It looks nice like this or without it and the twirly. Yeah, to me it is a low-key bag. And that is it. This Hermes Kelly bag wraps up this video today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to do this tag, please do. This is gonna be a fun tag. I love to see your low-key bags that you share. So that is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. If you already did, thanks for being here. I hope you can join my journey on YouTube here and also on Instagram and Facebook. I'm looking forward to see you back in my next video. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye.